Hey there everybody, this is Sean with All Dreams Travel. We just checked into the Tamaya Hyatt Regency here in outside of Albuquerque, New Mexico. This is room 3125. Here's the tour. So you walk in and you've got a closet on the right with the safe and some bed or some luggage racks. There's the front door. Heading in on the left is the bathroom. Hi, Terry.
Hi, Sean.
Turn the lights on. There's a sink with a mirror. There's a shower. Double-headed if you want. You come back out. Nice little artwork on the deal. Here is the little, looks like the coffee bar and the fridge probably, huh? Yeah, there's the mini fridge. Oh, there's the coffee maker. CVT 1-cupper. There is some little dish Indian art, Native American art on there. TV, king bed in here, little blanket for a artwork. Two nightstands, the old iPod, iPhone connection still, some lamps, a chair, nice desk, and then our view for the week.